Hey, it's Sam here from RecipeThis.com and the voice behind the popular Kitchen Gadgets podcast, Magic with Gadgets. Today I want to show you just how easy it is to cook gammon steaks in the air fryer using the Joule. So let's get started, shall we? So I've got some of these delicious unsmoked gammon steaks. You can use smoked or you can use unsmoked. I'm the one that doesn't really like things that are smoked, so these are the ones I tend to get. Though you can use any that you like. And then just get a knife into the pack. And the thing about gammon steaks in the air fryer is they cook so fast, and then you can do them as single or you can do them with any sides that you want as well. For example, you could do gammon steak with chips, gammon steak with chips and fried egg, and so on. If you head over to RecipeThis.com and search gammon steak, you can find it cooked with some chips. So let's get them on, shall we? So what I find is that one big gammon steak, will fit in each of my Joule drawers. So what you can do, oh, this one's broken, but it doesn't matter, I'm sure it still tastes good, is you can stack them on top of each other, but if you do that you'll need a longer cook time. Or you can do one in one drawer and then you can do another in the other, or you can do gammon in one and chips in the other. It's totally up to you. And then you can also season them however you wish. I found that gammon is overly salty anyway, so I don't tend to add any salt to it, but you can add some pepper. And then I also like it with some thyme, or you can use any favourite seasoning that you want. It just depends what you're into. And then use the lid for a sprinkling. And then do the same on the other one, or you can add a little bit more if you felt like it wasn't enough, like that, and then you're ready to go on. So we're going to match the drawers because we've got the same food in both. Press air fry, and then we're looking for 180 Celsius, that's 360 Fahrenheit. I'm looking for 8 minutes, and then press match so that they're both doing the same cooking time and temperature for both drawers. And then press start. Did you know that we have a free air fryer mini course? It runs for 5 days, is delivered by email, covers 5 important air fryer beginner topics, and includes a free PDF and free recipes. Simply head over to RecipeThis.com and search mini course for full details. So let's take a look, shall we? Oh, and wow, look at those. Gammon steaks in the air fryer are absolutely delicious. And like I said, if you wanted to use them for hot sandwiches, they're perfect. You can have them with chips and fried eggs as well. It's just totally up to you. And they're just one of those easy grates in the air fryer. And remember, these took just 8 minutes to cook in the air fryer. So if you want something quick, you want something easy, then this is it. Have you checked out Air Fryer Easy Every Day yet? It's our brand new air fryer cookbook, following on from the success of the complete air fryer cookbook. It has over 140 everyday air fryer recipes for you to follow along with at home in your air fryer. Perfect for different types of air fryers too, as it covers the air fryer oven, basket and Joule air fryers, as well as some fun recipes if you're cooking for one. So what are you waiting for? Go and order yourself a copy now and you will not be disappointed. It's from 12 years of air frying. And thanks so much for watching. Don't forget to follow us on Pinterest, Facebook, subscribe to our YouTube channel, and of course you can also find us on TikTok. But best of all, head over to RecipeThis.com/newsletter to join our weekly newsletter. And I'm Sam, and thanks again for watching.